Are you tired of those get $1,000 in a day video, the outrageous promises of getting so much money in just an hour? Well, you are not alone. When I was starting my journey to earn online, I watched so many of them, tried so many websites, but honestly, none of them was yielding a tangible result until I tried something else. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 ways you can actually make money online. Though I have to warn you, it's not like something you will start today and start making money today. You have to build it. First on my list is freelancing. Freelancing can completely change your life if you do it right. Freelancing, you can offer different kinds of skill. You can offer you can become a virtual assistant. You can learn you can become a video editor. You can become a voiceover artist. You can learn maybe web designing. You can learn app, how to make app software and every other thing online. You can Google it, just Google it and check free. You can learn most of these things on YouTube, and some of them you just go to Google, you type something like learn video editing free, and you see a course that you can do. Though most of them will require you to pay before they issue a certificate, but at least you can learn the skill free of charge. After you learn the skill, you can go to platform like Upwork or Fiverr and register create a profile. Go to Fiverr, you create your gig. You go to LinkedIn, you create a profile if you don't have one. Then you make sure you optimize it, which means you need to include keywords that are related to the services you offer. If you are a video editor, you include it. If you are a virtual assistant or social media manager or web designer, you make sure you include it. Personally, I'm a virtual assistant and social media manager, and I've been doing this for like more than 4 or 5 years now, and I can guarantee you that this thing pay well. It just requires patience. It doesn't happen overnight, but once it does, you will enjoy the freedoms that comes with it. Another thing is, if you don't want to start with all these freelancing sites, then you can also consider creating your own brand. Branding is very important. You can you don't need a website for now. You can start with maybe Instagram and, like I said, LinkedIn. I just choose a few social media platforms and you make sure you customize it, optimize it, and build your brand. Canva can help you. With Canva, you can get nice templates to create your portfolio. If you don't even have previous work experience, you can do a job on your own and then include it to your portfolio. You create your portfolio, create banners and even logo. You can make all those things free of charge on Canva. The second way you can earn money is to launch an online business. You can launch an e-commerce business. You can start selling on Etsy. You can start selling on Shopify. You can sell softwares. Depend on what you have passion for. Even if you don't have passion for it, look for what is on demand. Do your market research. You will not believe how much someone I know is making from shea butter. Yes, exporting shea butter to US. But before you launch your online business, you have to make research. Make research and know what is in demand and how you can go about it. Even ChatGPT can help you with business plan. Yes, they can help you with outline of your business plan. Then you research it one after the other. If you are very good with something, you can create a course on that. Be it social media, be it web design, anything it is, you can create a course on that. You can start selling print on demand. Though the market is now saturated, even drop shipping is now saturated, but there is always the way you market yours will always give you an opportunity to excel, because let's face it, there are so many people still buying this business and people are starting it every day, and it's still as lucrative as it was. It depends on how you set up. Some people say dropshipping is oversaturated. Of course it is, but there's a way you can do it and you still make your money. If money is not an issue, you can start with Etsy or Shopify. That way you don't need to hire a different person to build a website for you, and with just one click you can start advertising your product. I started a Shopify store that I sell locally made stuff from Ghana, and Nigeria. I export to US, and this month, every month at least I earn a little from inside. So you, it is Shopify, it depends. You can go for the basic, the list of the packages. Then because of payment gateway, EC may be a little difficult, but if you have someone abroad that can help you set up the shop, your own is just to keep shipping and everything. And there are so many other e-commerce platform you can start with. Also, you can start your own personal website, although that one will be a little bit capital intensive, unless if you have a basic knowledge of web designing, which is very easy. You can get the cheapest hosting from Namecheap. But with $50, you can have your domain name and hosting for 1 year from Namecheap. But the thing is, you will need someone to design it. And WordPress is great. So with WooCommerce, you can set up a shop, which if you watch a YouTube video step by step, you can do it by yourself. I'm telling you, you don't need anybody to do it for you. But if you are the type that doesn't have time, you may need to hire someone. So once you do that, you create Facebook page, and then you use Facebook for ad. The ad will target a specific group of people that you need to target. If you select it properly, you should be able to make enough profit. The last but not the least is content creation. Yes, I know a content creation, people, when people hear you say, I don't want to be an influencer or anything, but this is another perfect way to earn money from home. If you do it right and you have enough patience, you can, some people blow up overnight, while some it takes time. So personally, I would say try different platform and see what works for you. YouTube is not easy, but it works for a lot of people. I have seen people getting monetized within a few weeks. So you can try that out. You can try TikTok. TikTok grows faster even. You get a lot of people in a short period of time. There you have it. These are the ways you can actually earn money online. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, and I will see you in my next